Guess what, guys? She's back. Back and put together again. It was running earlier. But yeah, I found it back together. New fangirl, new motor, same fan blades, new stand. Dude came Bryant. The carrier has not moved, but yep. The Bryant's now up. I will get this thing defrosted again. I promise. I don't even know what happened here. I don't even know why that's even. Okay. I don't even know why it's there anyways. Piece of junk. There we go. But yep. Coil guard, it's fine. Alright, I wanted to make a quick video about that. So, thanks for watching. There's the carrier. And there's the Bryant. So, alright. It took me like almost 2 hours fixing up the Bryant unit, but I got it done. Also, if you looked in the back, I'm gonna show you this. You got a newer line set to it. Unlike the carrier though. But yeah. A little bit of a different setup because I had some repairs to do. But yeah. So with that being said, hope you enjoy. And thanks for watching. Peace out.